Sometimes the creative juices just won't flow and you need a little inspiration to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you a new tool from Merchantformer that allows you to quickly see what keywords are trending on Amazon and then also shows you the top selling merch designs for those keywords. Then I'm going to show you how to find out how competitive that niche is so you can decide if it's a good niche for you. This is going to be a really short video because the amount of time you spend researching is time you're not designing. So let's get started so you can get back to what really matters, designing and uploading. This new tool is called Niche Hunter, and I'll jump into the back end of Merchantformer right now and show you how it works. Stick around because after I show you this new tool, I'll also show you how I use it to find trending quality keywords that also have low competition. You will need to have a Merchantformer account to follow along, so if you're not already a subscriber to Merchantformer, you can use my coupon code MERCHMETRICS for 20% off of your monthly subscription for as long as you stay subscribed. Link is in the description below. Once you log into Merchantformer, you want to navigate to the keyword cloud on the left-hand sidebar. Click to expand the menu. Niche Hunter should be the top option. Click Niche Hunter and you're taken to the new Niche Hunter tool. Here, we're given a list of the 1,600 most popular search terms on Amazon, ranked by monthly number of searches and followed by the thumbnails of the top 5 best-selling merch designs for those keywords. The first thing I do is change the number of search results per page to 100. That'll make us more efficient as we move through the list. Niche Hunter gives you something you've never had before in Merchantformer, the monthly search volume. That's a really big deal because until now, we've mostly been guessing based on BSR how popular a keyword is. And while BSR and search volume are definitely related, we now have some concept of how popular a niche is among customers, not just a measure of how well a shirt is selling. You can also now tell if a niche is ripe for additional designs because you can compare the BSR of the top 5 selling designs to the monthly number of searches. If there are a ton of searches but the BSR of the top 5 selling designs are relatively high, we know that those designs are not really resonating with customers. That's a prime opportunity to develop your own designs for those keywords. The list of trending topics is also searchable. If you're looking to focus on a specific niche or sub-niche, you can enter a search term and only see trending keywords that are related to your search. Like all keyword tools, the results do lag a bit, so although the results do update over time, it takes a while for topics that are really popular for a short time to fall off the list. You may still see things like Halloween or Thanksgiving shirts near the top of the list, and that's because the amount of sales during those peak times in October and November are disproportionately high, and the predictive model doesn't necessarily know that those trends don't follow the normal curve that an evergreen niche might follow. Sorry for getting nerdy there, but I don't want you to discount the tool or think that it doesn't work just because you get a few crazy results. Now, how would I use this tool myself to decide what niches are worth my time? First, identify a niche I'm interested in, and then look at the top 5 listings. Next, I'd open Merchantformer's competition checker in a second tab, paste in the keywords that I'm interested in directly into the competition checker. If things look good and there is low competition, then I'm definitely interested in creating designs using this niche. Merchantformer's Niche Hunter paired with the competition checker gives you 2 key pieces of information when evaluating a niche: the amount of interest among buyers and the saturation of the niche among sellers. Combining those 2 tools allows us to find the sweet spot where there isn't too much competition, but there is enough buyer intent to justify adding more designs to the niche. If you're looking for a more in-depth video on how I do niche research for merch by Amazon, check out this video in the cards above. And thanks for watching. I'm Doug with merchmetrics.com, and I'll see you in the next video.